Es conmigo, yo solo quiero estar contigo, quiero estar contigo. Yo no quiero que veas como yo te vi, yeah. Pero otra vez, yo te quiero ver cerca de mí, cerca de mí, cerca de mí.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, 𝐒𝐶. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video. So I have a new wig from OMGHerHair, and if you guys are interested, I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. And y'all, it's that time of year. It's the holiday time, and OMGHerHair is having their Black Friday sale with savings up to $100. I'm going to put a few codes here on the screen. Be sure to check the info section below. I have everything listed there. You guys definitely want to take advantage of this sale. You guys have to be quick because it does end soon. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. So here is the wig that I picked up this time. I picked up this gorgeous bouncy curl lace frontal wig. It does have that gorgeous high definition clear lace. The hairline is already pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached. And you guys, this is just an overall look of it. It requires no work whatsoever. So if you guys are a beginner, be sure to get your hands on this because y'all, it is the easiest wig I have ever had. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly what it looks like. At first I was a little hesitant, but you guys definitely keep watching because you guys are going to see how this wig comes together so effortlessly and so easily. But you guys, yeah, go ahead and get into it. The wig that I have is 20 inches long, 180% density, and it also has that 13 by 6 inch fitted glueless high definition lace. I'm going to go ahead and get this wig ready to wear, though it doesn't require any work. I just kind of like to do this just to kind of, you know, be sure that it's going to work 100% for myself.
Siento que te han dañado antes. A ti. Estamos en tiempos interesantes. La vi. Y yo ya no te quiero ver a ti con otro. Si no es conmigo, yo solo quiero estar contigo.
So I just went ahead and let the wig just sit for a little bit as I got dressed and did my makeup, and this is what it looks like. I'm now going to take this little pair of scissors and just trim back the lace because we don't need it. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the wig on. You guys, I didn't use any foundation or any powder or anything on the lace. I just kind of wanted to see how the lace would just melt in with my skin tone. And you guys, it's looking so good. I literally just put it on and then boom. Now I am going to use a little bit of my 𝐒𝐶 glued spray just to go ahead and get this wig adhered down.
It turned out to be food for the soul.
So you guys, this right here is key. You're going to want to take a white tooth comb and very gently go ahead and kind of like agitate those curls just a bit. Don't go too crazy though. You guys see the before and now the after, and you guys, it is absolutely gorgeous. Go ahead and get a white tooth comb and gently comb through these curls just to kind of separate them just a bit, and you guys, look at it. Just look at it. Like, oh my god, it is definitely giving like a twist out on my natural hair. You guys see how the light is beaming off of those curls and how bouncy they are. They're so gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, definitely trust the process, because at first I didn't know how I felt. but it definitely came together and it's so gorgeous. I'm so here for it. Now this is definitely a wig that you don't want to start off washing, just because these curls get better when you kind of play around with it and manipulate it just a bit. I know that I'm like an advocate for washing your wigs prior to you wearing it, but don't wash this one first, okay? Because when you guys wash it, it is going to lose those curls just a bit, even though I do believe that is still gorgeous. This look right here is one of a kind, and I don't think I ever had a wig like this before. So definitely put on the wig when you get it and just go through it with the white tooth comb. Don't initially wash it, okay? Do exactly what I did, because if you guys want this look, you don't want to wash it away, okay? But you guys, once again, this is what this wig looks like. It is so gorgeous, and I just love how the light is just beaming off of it. Y'all, this one right here, definitely different. But I decided to wash the wig off camera just to let you guys see exactly what it looks like after you wash it. And dare I say, this wig actually grew a couple inches, because why does it look so long now? But you do lose some of those bouncy curls and you get more of a super defined wavy look, and it still looks super good. It almost reminds me of like a deep curly unit, okay? It's almost like two wigs in one. It has all that movement and all that body, and I am still 100% here for it. So you guys definitely check out this particular unit. I will have all the details and links listed in the info section below. But once again, you guys do take advantage of their Black Friday sale with savings up to $100. Everything will be linked in the info section below. Also, OMGHerHair does have their afterpay, so you can break up your payments into 4 equal interest-free payments, so you don't have to splurge all at once. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.